I'm Munchie Munchkin, and welcome to another segment of Munching Blindly. Today I'm trying a new Mountain Dew. It's kind of weird. I actually never heard about them announcing this one. It's called DEW.S.A. DEW.S.A. And it's a combination of their Co-Red, Whiteout, and Voltage. For those that don't know what those three flavors are, Co-Red is a cherry, Whiteout is a smooth citrus is what they say on their website, and Voltage is a raspberry citrus with ginseng in it. I actually found this on the way home at the gas station, and was surprised to see it because, again, I never heard them announcing this one. It's kind of... okay, and the bottle kind of looks purpley. Kind of looks pink now. So, it's that pink color. So, well, I guess it's still kind of pinky purple. I think one of them is overpowering the others. I cannot taste the Co-Red in this. Yeah, if it's there, it's very, very, very little of it. I mean, it might be equal amounts of it, but the flavor, I think something's kicking it out of it. I can definitely taste the Whiteout. But I think the Voltage is what's coming through the most. Even smell-wise, I think the Voltage one is coming through the most. I mean, it could be because I'm sensitive to certain flavors and I'm picking that one up the most out of them. So it might be a me issue. I'm not sure. I mean, I would love to hear other people's comments on this one. I mean, it's not horrible. But it's one of those things for me is like, maybe it could have been better. I'm not sure. I mean, I don't know how they... I mean, they don't tell you if they're all combined evenly or anything. So it's not like I can tell if they plan this to make it where they come out evenly and put different percentage of different things in it. Or they're like, let's just put everything equally in it and hope that works out. I mean, it's not a bad idea, just I don't know if it came out well enough. Now, the thing is, I had a hard time finding this again. I couldn't find it at Speedway, which is also, oh, I forgot what their other branch is called. I was able to find it at Love's, and I was able to find it at Thorn's, but I couldn't find it at Speedway, which would be the equivalent of Super America, in other parts of the country. I don't have a 7-Eleven in my area, so I don't know if they have it. I have not found it at grocery stores yet. So if you're trying to find this one, it might be very hard to find for some reason. I don't know why it's so hard to find. But, I don't know. I mean, it's definitely not one of my favorite Mountain Dews. One of my favorites would have been the one that they had released for the Batman movies. That one was really good. That one I could find for the longest time at my college, at their vending machines. I think it was dark berry, I think was the flavor, or what they called it. But that one was very good, and I could find it at my school for the longest time, and I would, like, purposely, like, exams! Yes, I can go to the school and get some more. Because that's the only time I would go to my school, since I do online schooling. But, I mean, Co-Red is one of my favorites. Livewire's kind of up there. Whiteout's kind of iffy. But there's a lot of the ones that they did for their, like, let's vote on one of the 3 that you guys like, and we'll keep that one. There's some of those that didn't win that I was really hoping to win. I think Supernova was one of them. I think that one was a pink drink, but I forgot what the flavor was now. But that one I really liked a lot, and I hoped it beat Voltage, but Voltage ended up winning that round. I think that was the one that was up against it. There was another one, I think Distortion was another one. And I can't remember which pairing that one was in. Because I think they did the contest at least 2 times. Yeah, because White Out won the one. And then Voltage won the other one. And I can't remember what the other 4 were and which ones they were grouped up with. But I remember liking a different one more so than the one that won. I don't know, this is kind of... I don't know, the way that they did this kind of reminds me of these chips called Voodoo Chips by Zap. Zaps or Zap chips. And pretty much what happened with those is like all the seasonings from the other chips all got piled up. The machines, I guess, malfunctioned or something. They all spilled out the seasonings for those chips, and they kind of mixed together. And then a worker, I guess, evidently tasted the seasonings, and was like, "Hey, let's make a chip out of this." So they called it Voodoo. I mean, at least that's how the story goes. I don't know if that really happened, but regardless, they put all the seasonings into one chip, and it's really good. Excuse me. I mean, it makes a pretty color, I guess. But, I don't know. I mean, again, I don't know if this is like me being sensitive to certain flavors and I'm picking them up more. But yeah, I would definitely say if you're into Mountain Dew and you like the flavor Mountain Dews more, I would definitely try it out and see what you think. Again, I would love to hear your comments on what you thought of the drink. But I mean, again, it has the cherry, it has the smooth citrus, and then the raspberry citrus and ginseng in it. But so yeah, I mean, that's my take on it. I want to venture out and see if they have more Mountain Dews that they haven't released on there, or at least advertised online so far. I need to double check their website and see if they have any other new ones. I know they have a couple of cans, a green one, a white one, 2 lemonade ones, and I thought there was another one that I saw. Oh, some Pepsi Blackcurrant, but that's not a Mountain Dew, so that's a different side of the Pepsi company. So yeah, I'll venture out more and see what else is new in the pop, or some areas soda, areas of the country that will, that have new flavors. Because I think there's a cherry Sprite, which I'm kind of intrigued by. I don't usually like cherry, but oddly enough, I like Code Red, so I'll have to try that one out. But yeah, hope to see you guys soon. Hope you all have a great day. I hope to see you all soon in one of my next episodes. Bye! Okay, so I have a little bit left, so I decided to do this little bit at the end of me trying to chug this thing. This is going to be interesting, because it's a little bit easier to chug it with it in the bottle. So that's the actual end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Thanks for watching me try Mountain Dew's new flavor Dew. I'm really torn on this drink. I just can't tell if I like it or not. Odd how that happens sometimes. But like usual, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with a new video soon. Bye.